Okay, what do we have today?
When you're designing for industrial applications, your connectors have to tolerate high levels of shock and vibration. But did you know there's more to it than using a connector that can be bolted or clamped down? Harwin's M225 series of 2mm pitch high-performance connectors have a triangular female crimp contact that provides 3 points of contact to the male pin, ensuring a reliable connection under high levels of shock and vibration. And they're designed for automated crimping to reduce installation costs. Contacts are rated for up to 3.3 amps each and have a low 25 milliohm contact resistance. Male and female connectors are fully shrouded and polarized, and they're constructed from glass-reinforced PPS for robust, long operational life. Once mated, the M225 series can be secured by pushing a fixing pin into the rubber collar on the female connector, which expands and locks into the male connector. The connectors are rated for operation from -55°C to +125°C and are available with 10 to 50 positions.